I'm standing in front of SLBC tunnel, Srisalem left bank canal. This is a tunnel where yesterday the incident took place in which around 50 people were trapped inside this tunnel. Now almost 42 people have came, workers who went inside to do the repairing work inside the tunnel have came back. 42 people, more 8 people are trapped inside this tunnel. From here, 14 kilometers point, the accident took place. Thereafter, tomorrow in the early morning, around 8 o'clock, almost 50 workers went inside to repair the water leakage at the point of 14 kilometers. There, at that point, after reaching there, when they are repairing there, suddenly a floor of the left side has fallen down. Suddenly, heavy water, heavy mud came down. With that, almost 42 people came out of the tunnel, but still 8 people are trapped inside. This is a lobo train with the help of this the workers who went inside, and now the rescue team is also using this with the help of this tunnel. They are going inside, and we spoke to Juppalli Krishna Rao, who is the Telangana minister. He said very clearly that he went till 13.5 kilometers. From at that point, there is a worse situation. There is very bad situation there. Almost water has reached 75% of this tunnel. Water reached till 70% of this tunnel, and even he also seen mud and stones inside that. So it's very impossible to, until and unless removing the water and mud from there, it is impossible to rescue the 8 people who are stuck inside. So now NDRF team, SDRF team, Singareni colonies and Navy is also coming. Already Army have came inside. Already rescue team, rescue operation is going on. Still the rescue operation is going on from yesterday morning till this time. The continuous rescue operation is going on. We heard yesterday evening that there is a power supply, there is a power cut here. There is a shortage of power, due to which the rescue operation was stopped. But after the restoration of the power, again the rescue team have went inside and started doing the rescue operation. And when we spoke to the minister, he said very clear that at the point of 11 kilometers, there is a lot of water and debris there. With the help of left side, we can see with the help of that, from 11 kilometers till 13 kilometers, he went inside with the help of this rope. With the help of this rope, he went till 13.5 kilometers. There, they have called the names of the trapped people who are trapped there. 8 people, they have taken their name, but there is no response from opposite side. That's what the minister said. And still, the rescue operation is going on. At the point of 11 kilometers, the water and debris, the NDRF team and SDRF team, all the rescue operation team is trying to remove water and the debris from at the point of 11.5 kilometers. Still the rescue operation is going on. When we asked the minister that how much time it will take to rescue the people who are trapped inside, but he said very clearly that he cannot tell the exact time, how much time it will take, but from our sources, we have the information that at least it will take 1 or 2 days to remove the water and the debris inside the tunnel at the point of 11 kilometers. After removing that water and the debris, then the rescue team will enter at the accident point. Later, they will be rescued from there. How much time it will take, nobody officials is telling that how much time it will take, but at least it will take more 1 day to enter to clear all the debris and water from here at the point of 11.5 kilometers. With camera person Surya, Rajkiran News X, Srisalem.
For more such videos, subscribe to the News X YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.